Hello, friends. Welcome to Wednesday, September 16th. Remember, on Wednesdays is asynchronous days. That means we do not meet in class on Zoom. Okay, there is no Zoom for our class today. So let's see what we have to do. You are going to watch this video. After you watch the video, you will have your asynchronous work. Now, click asynchronous and you have two activities. The first activity is a Kahoot. Okay, you're going to play Kahoot. There are two games to play Kahoot, and you have to finish them by Friday, September 18th. You can play as many times as you want for practice. You click the first link, and it takes you to the Kahoot. You will type in your name and click go, and the game will start. So you will do that for both links. When you are finished, you are going to do a grammar lesson. To do this grammar lesson, you will click the link. So usually you should go back to async and then click the link, and it takes you directly to the lesson. All right, you will type in your name. I already have my name here, but you will type in your name, first name and last name, and click join lesson. And then you will read through the slides and take notes. All right, so this lesson is about sentences and fragments. So you will take notes and you will have some activities to do. After you take notes, read the slides, take notes, and then you will answer a question. And you must answer. So it's asking you to give two examples of a sentence. So you type in your first sentence and then enter, type in your next sentence, and then click submit. If you don't click submit, you cannot advance. See, I can't submit. So I'm going to write my two sentences. Here are my two sentences. These are examples. Please make your sentences a little bit more complex. And then you submit. And then you keep reading. Now this section is about fragments. And then you will watch a video. And when you are watching this video, if you find the video is too fast, you will click the gear and change the speed to slow. Watch the video. After you finish watching the video, advance. More notes, more reading. Again, you come to this one, two examples of a fragment. All right, and then you submit. And then you have another video. This video you watch, and when you come to a blue dot, that means you have a question to answer. Okay, you have a question to answer. And I will submit my answer. I continue playing. I go to the next one until I'm done, and next. Make sure you answer. I'm just flipping through. Then you will play another game. You pick your avatar and then you begin. And then you tell me what is the difference between a sentence and a fragment. And then you are done. All right, and that's it for the grammar lesson, our first grammar lesson. Now, Wednesdays are asynchronous days, but you have this wonderful activity in Zoom with our wonderful counselor, Claudia, talking about the vocabulary of emotions. This will be a great exercise to practice speaking and vocabulary building. The session will be on Zoom from 10 to 11:30, and here are the codes. This is the meeting ID and this is the password. If you have any questions, you know how to reach me. Have a great day. Good luck.